What's the point of makeup if it can't come to your rescue when you need it the most? Hi, I'm Rosalind, and today I'm going to share with you some interesting tricks and alternatives to your everyday makeup routine. They are easy, quick, and affordable, but will still make it look like you have put in a lot of effort. These hacks promise to be absolute saviors when you're pushed for time. Feel like you have a visible bald patch around your hairline or patches on your scalp? Take a fluffy blending brush and your most pigmented dark brown or black eyeshadow and get started. Light-handedly shading in these areas will make them look super natural but fuller at the same time. This is a temporary and a last-minute fix, but hey, it works wonders and no one will ever know. Like me, if you too have oily skin and certain areas of your face tend to oil up soon, then this is the perfect hack for you. Begin by prepping your skin with your moisturizer and primer. Then dab some loose powder on the areas that tend to oil up the quickest, such as the T-zone. Basically reversing the steps in your normal foundation routine. Curling your lashes adds a dramatic touch to your entire makeup look. But if you add mild heat on the lash curler with a blow dryer for 10 to 15 seconds, the heat will help curl the lashes and hold the curl longer. Test the curler on the back of your hand to make sure it's not too hot. Now curl your lashes and apply a coat of your favorite mascara. This technique will hold the curl and give you beautiful voluminous lashes all day long. I'm sure all us oily girls out there know that lugging around a tub of loose powder and a brush everywhere is just not convenient. But I believe I've come up with a perfect solution for this. Liberally dust loose powder onto some tissues, fold them and put them away in your wallet. So the next time you spot those pesky patches of oil turning up, just use one of these tissues. Dab it all over your face to absorb the oils and mattify your face again. I cannot stress enough on how important it is for you to clean your makeup brushes and your sponges after every use. It's impossible to get rid of all the gunk in your beauty blender with just a rinse. Take a cup full of water, dunk in your beauty blender, and microwave it for a minute. You'll notice all the makeup stains will have come right off the beauty blender and it will look brand new again. We all know the woes of achieving the perfect wing liner. It takes forever. Some days one wing is longer or thicker than the other, while on other days they just don't match. We don't have time to sit and redo the entire eye look these days, so here's what you can do instead. Take an angled brush, dip it in some makeup remover, and just clean around the edges of the wing to correct any mistakes and give it the shape you desire. So those are some of the tips and tricks that I swear by and are total lifesavers. I hope you give these a try and do share your favorite beauty tricks with me in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.